The Osinttube tool is an open-source application developed in Python, designed to collect public information from YouTube channels for open-source intelligence purposes. It allows you to extract data such as channel description, location, number of videos, subscribers, views, creation date, category, and estimated monthly earnings. First, we will clone the repository and then install the dependencies. Then go to YouTube and identify the ID of the channel you want. Run the program with the ID of the target channel. After starting Osinttube, you will have access to an interactive shell with the following commands. Description displays the channel description. Location displays the location associated with the channel. VidNumber displays the total number of published videos. Subnumber displays the number of subscribers to the channel. Views displays the total accumulated views. Duration provides the estimated duration of the videos. Join date indicates the date the channel was created. Category displays the channel category. Earnings estimates the channel's monthly earnings. Target defines a new target channel for analysis. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.